Hello everyone. Today we will explore the pack hunting behaviors of various species, starting with the lion. The lion, Panthera leo, is one of the most famous pack hunting animals in the world. Adult males can weigh up to 250 kilograms, while females are smaller, usually weighing around 180 kilograms. Male lions have thick, bushy manes, a distinctive feature that sets them apart from females. The color of the mane can vary from light yellow to black. In the wild, lions typically live about 10 to 14 years, but in captivity, they can live up to 20 years or more. Female lions usually take the lead in hunting. They use their skills in stealth and closely coordinate with each other to approach prey silently. Female lions are capable of coordinating attacks, encircling, and blocking the prey's escape route. They often hunt large animals such as antelopes, giraffes, buffalo, and even elephants in some cases. Lions can also attack smaller animals like birds and rodents. Lions typically use dense bushes or tall grass as cover to get close to their prey before launching a surprise attack. When the prey flees, other lions join the chase, using speed and strength to catch up and subdue the prey. Lions usually target the prey's throat to quickly end the hunt. Lions live in prides, typically consisting of females and their offspring along with one or more adult males. Lion prides have a complex social structure with clear relationships among members. Males primarily take on the role of protecting the territory and the pride from intruders and rivals. Lions are not only a symbol of strength and power but also a prime example of the importance of cooperation and strategy in the natural world. Next, we look at the hunting practices of the African wild dog, Lycaon pictus, also known as the painted wolf, which is one of the most efficient hunters in the wild animal kingdom. The characteristics and hunting methods of this species are quite unique and interesting. African wild dogs have multicolored fur with patches of black, white, and brown or red, which effectively camouflages them in their environment. No two wild dogs have exactly the same fur pattern. They have long legs and a spotted tail with a tuft at the end, which helps them maintain balance while running. They are about 75 to 110 centimeters in length and 60 to 75 centimeters tall at the shoulder, weighing between 20 to 30 kilograms. African wild dogs hunt in packs, using their stamina to chase prey over long distances. They often target older, weaker, or younger prey that are easier to catch. The pack coordinates very well, often rotating the lead chaser during pursuits to conserve the energy of other members. The hunt begins by locating and approaching the prey, followed by a prolonged chase. They pursue the prey until it is exhausted and can no longer run. Once the prey is exhausted, they quickly kill it by biting at vital areas such as the throat or belly. The pack has a tight social structure, usually led by an alpha pair, and can include 6 to 20 members. They have a complex communication system through sounds, gestures, and scent. This communication aids in coordinating hunting activities and caring for the young. The African wild dog is an excellent example of adaptation and coordination in nature, helping them maintain a high success rate in hunts and highlighting their survival abilities in harsh wild environments. We will now discuss the bush dog, Speothos venaticus, also known as the bush dog or South American forest dog. It is a small but very effective predatory animal, especially when hunting in packs. The bush dog has short, dense fur that is reddish-brown or black, with short ears and a round face. They have a low, sturdy body with short legs, giving them an appearance similar to a bear cub. They measure about 60 to 75 centimeters in length, stand about 30 centimeters at the shoulder, and weigh between 5 and 7 kilograms. Bush dogs hunt in packs, typically consisting of 4 to 12 individuals. This coordination allows them to attack animals much larger than themselves, such as wild boars and even animals weighing up to 45 kilograms. They often use ambush tactics, hiding in dense bushes or under thick vegetation to silently approach their prey before launching an attack. During the hunt, individuals in the bush dog pack will surround the prey and attack from various directions, confusing the prey and making it difficult to escape. They target vulnerable areas of the prey such as the neck and belly. This technique allows them to quickly subdue and finish off the prey. The pack has a strong social structure, usually led by one individual. Every member of the pack plays a crucial role in hunting and caring for the young. Bush dogs communicate with each other using sounds, gestures, and scent to maintain order and coordinate activities. The bush dog is a typical example of an animal species that can effectively hunt in packs, demonstrating clear adaptation and mutual dependence in nature. We now move to the deep ocean with the great white shark, Carcharodon carcharias, also known as the white shark, one of the most famous and extensively studied shark species in the world. They are formidable predators in the ocean, and in some rare instances, great white sharks have been observed cooperating during hunts. Great white sharks can grow up to 6 meters in length and weigh up to 2,200 kilograms, with a robust body and razor-sharp teeth. They have a gray upper body and white underbelly, which helps them camouflage when swimming near the water's surface. Great white sharks can live up to 70 years or more. Typically, great white sharks hunt alone. They employ ambush techniques, surging from beneath to attack prey from below, creating surprise and inflicting severe damage. There are reports of great white sharks cooperating when hunting large prey such as injured or old whales and large seals. When cooperating, great white sharks utilize the strength of the group to subdue the large and challenging prey. Great white sharks often target the softer parts of their prey, such as the belly or flanks. They can inflict large wounds with their large, sharp teeth. When cooperating, sharks may use tactics to distract the prey, allowing another individual to attack from an unprotected angle. Great white sharks migrate seasonally and have preferred hunting areas. They are typically territorial but can cooperate when conditions demand. While not much research exists on communication among great white sharks, they have a highly developed sensory system, including the electromagnetic sense to detect prey. Great white sharks are among the apex predators of the ocean, and their ability to adapt in both solitary and cooperative hunting showcases the complexity and effectiveness of their hunting strategies. We will now turn to the skies with the vultures, a group of scavenging birds that play a crucial role in the ecosystem by keeping the environment clean of dead animal bodies. While they do not hunt live prey, their cooperative skills in handling carcasses are a classic example of pack feeding behavior. There are many species of vultures, including the red-headed vulture, the African vulture, and the California condor, each with different sizes and physical characteristics. Most vultures have bare necks and relatively bald heads, which help keep them clean while feeding on animal remains. Vultures utilize their excellent vision and, in some cases, a strong sense of smell to detect carcasses from a distance. When a vulture spots a dead animal, it will land and begin to eat, and seeing this, other vultures will quickly gather. Vultures have specialized body parts for handling different parts of the carcass. For example, the red-headed vulture has a strong beak for tearing meat. While smaller vultures like the black vulture may pick at more inaccessible parts, there is often a pecking order regarding who eats first, with larger or stronger individuals feeding first, and smaller or younger ones waiting their turn. By consuming dead animals, vultures help prevent the spread of diseases and reduce foul odors, contributing to the maintenance of ecological balance. Vultures not only demonstrate impressive coordination in handling dead animals but are also an indispensable part of the food chain, helping remove disease sources and maintain environmental hygiene. Next, we turn to hawks, a diverse group of predatory birds that includes many different species around the world. Among them, the Harris hawk, Parabuteo unicinctus, stands out as a notable example of a bird of prey that hunts in packs, a behavior quite rare among raptor species. The Harris hawk has primarily dark brown plumage with white and reddish markings. They have broad wings and short tails, which are ideal for agile flying and swift stooping. They range in length from 46 to 76 centimeters, with a wingspan of 1.1 to 1.3 meters. The Harris hawk has a high degree of cooperation when hunting. They typically hunt in groups of 2 to 6 individuals, sometimes even larger groups, which increases their hunting efficiency. This hawk uses techniques such as driving prey into corners or areas where they cannot escape. Then, they attack the prey from multiple directions, making escape impossible. When prey is spotted, 1 or 2 individuals will start the chase, while others prepare to dive from different directions. This helps them more effectively control the prey. Once the prey is subdued, individuals in the group take turns attacking, ensuring that the prey has no chance to escape. The Harris hawk has a complex social structure. They often hunt and rear their young together in groups, showing a high level of cooperation not only in hunting but also in caring for their young. Communication among group members occurs through sounds and gestures, helping them coordinate closely throughout the hunting process. The Harris hawk is a rare example of a raptorial bird that hunts in packs, and their cooperative hunting abilities not only increase their effectiveness but also demonstrate the adaptability and intelligence of this bird species in the wild. Finally, in today's video, we have the gray wolf, Canis lupus, one of the most effective pack hunting species, known for its coordination and complex hunting tactics. The gray wolf inhabits various regions around the world, from the Arctic tundra to the forests and grasslands of North America and Eurasia. Gray wolves have thick fur, typically ranging from white-gray to black. They have erect ears, long muzzles, and bushy tails. The body length can range from 1 to 1.5 meters, excluding the tail, and they weigh between 30 to 70 kilograms, depending on gender and habitat. Gray wolves hunt in packs, with each individual playing different roles in the hunt. They use encirclement techniques to isolate prey from the herd and chase the prey until it is exhausted. Common prey for wolves include deer, elk, and even bison. Wolves can also hunt smaller animals such as rodents or even fish. Wolves begin a hunt by quietly approaching a herd of prey, then selecting an individual and initiating a chase. The chase can last for hours, depending on the stamina of the prey and the terrain conditions. Once the prey is exhausted, wolves will attack and finish it by biting the neck or flanks to cause severe injuries. A pack of wolves is typically led by an alpha pair, managing the pack's activities and ensuring compliance from other members. The pack has a complex social structure with clear roles. Wolves communicate through barks, howls, body gestures, and facial expressions, helping maintain coordination and effectiveness during the hunt. Gray wolves are not only a classic example of pack hunting animals but also a symbol of cooperation and collective strength in nature. They work together not only to hunt but also in rearing young and protecting their territory, showing great adaptation to their environment. Don't forget to leave me a like, subscribe, and share this video with everyone. Thank you all, and see you in the next videos.